trip. I'm actually going to be in the cabins all weekend with friends. Something magical. But today, I'm actually going to be twisting up my hair. So I'm going to get started on the back just because that's the hardest to see on camera. Work my way to the front, and when I get about halfway, I will record so that way you kind of can see what I'm doing. But I already had washed my hair, deep conditioned it. Let me know if y'all want to see how I do that as far as the routine. Now in the back, I try not to get too perfect. For all my braiders out there, I commend you. Thank y'all for watching. Love you guys. I'll be back. You guys, what I meant by the items that I will be using. So this is tried and true. Very moisturizing. Love it. As you can see, it's #1. I'm trying to see what focus. Yeah, #1 choice for braiders. I understand why, because it's magical. But I keep hearing about this, so I kind of want to use this in combination just to see, like it says, like seal ends or conditioning. And then this is the hair that I'll be using. I find that this one is best. 4 usually is the closest to my hair type. Like a brown, and you see my hair earlier. So I just wanted to show you what the hair looks like when you actually open it. Actually on a bench like this, and you see how like you're just able to pull apart some of the hair and you're able to make it. I probably use like that much, maybe that much on mine. Again, because I like that bohemian look, so I always separate my packs first. I try to do like 3 packs at a time so that I don't really have to keep stopping. And I have in total about 9 packs. Now, so as you can see, these are 2 different colors. This is actually a 1B27. I always like to do highlights. So even though I do my natural color, the highlights, sometimes I'll mix it into this color and it'll just come out like, it's really cute. It's really cute. Or a lot of times I actually do the blonde. I love blonde for summer, but since we're going into fall, and I'm going to be working on some fall campaigns soon, I thought it'd be cute since I might rock this style for about like 4 to 6 weeks. Yeah, I actually lost longer than that, but I just don't like keeping anything in my hair too long. So, all you're going to need once you have your hair laid out, so I actually have a bench I'm going to show you that I use. See, everything's here for me. So what I have is, because it is twisting hair, it comes like this. It's already like crinkly for you, which is perfect for type 4 hair or curly textures. It really holds a lot better than like the traditional Kekalon hair. I've done it with Kekalon, and I could insert some pictures here above. And or I can just go over it. If you hear a little noise in the background, it's because my husband is watching an action movie, and I was like, I have to get this recording for you guys before we head out for our trip tomorrow. So what I like to do is let's get closer for you guys. So this actually was very puffy, but the reason why it looks moisturized and juicy is because I used this at the base of my hair, but actually it works better for me if I bring it all the way down even to my ends, and it keeps my ends moisturized. Look at that. Look at that, look, juiciness. I also use beeswax on my hair, like I had showed you guys earlier in the pictures as far as what I had laid out. But because I already did that, I'm not gonna put like additional stuff in there. I'll use my Shining Gem Conditioning Gel. And I'm gonna just take a dab of this and actually wrap it around where I'm going to twist this hair. Because all I'm gonna do is, like I said, I already have sectioned off my hair. As you can see, everything's sectioned off so that the part where I need to attach this twist, I'm gonna twist it again. Twist it until it is looking like your base of your hair is like wound up. And you're gonna take the part of the hair that you have twisted and you're gonna wrap it around that piece of hair that you have. Oh, there we go. Wrap it, right? And you're gonna secure it to the root and twist. And then for my braiders out there, even if you just know how to plait, because I'm not a braider, okay? You're just going to take it and braid the root. You're gonna braid it down till you feel comfortable. I typically do about an inch or so just because my hair, oh my gosh. So once I get it to a place where I feel like, okay, I anchored my twist. There's many ways you can do this hairstyle. I have a few friends that do the rubber band method. I personally don't do the rubber band method. Again, I have micros, it pulled out my hair. So anything that's too tight, too small, your girl's not doing it. No sis. I feel like it's secured. I take some more of that gel just because it's gonna be, this is your glue, that gel. And I'm gonna moisturize the side where I have the rest of that hair, my hair, and then I start to twist. It's kind of like, you know, like that song is on the flick of the wrist. Literally when it comes to twists, this is all about how you twist it in. So you kind of rolling and then twist. Roll and then twist. If you do twist outs, you probably do this method just to get the most definition. But yeah, so you just twist and it keeps it tight. So as you go down, let me make sure I'm not. Sometimes you catch a flyaway and you feel it as you're twisting, and that's like so annoying. Just easing that on out. Like I said, you gotta be gentle with your hair. Being gentle with your hair is the best, period. But yeah, so this is so much easier when my hair's not already done. But yeah, so as you can see my hand, I twist. Sometimes I get like a little bit more gel just so that way it smooths out the twist as I go down. And that's it. And as you can see, it turns into a twist now. So that color just blended right on in to the brown and realistic once you dip it in hot water. And that's how you seal this. I just tied mine in the knot. I'll show you on this side. I should show you on this side, but you see how like it highlighted it throughout, even though it still has that forward. So it's a little bit more subtle against, you see what I'm saying? Versus like a stark difference like these two. But I'm gonna keep these because these in the back. But yeah, so get started on this side. So I'm just gonna unravel this and I'm gonna get my gel. Go back to the root of my hair because I want it to stay moisturized. So y'all can see. I know it's so hard because I already twisted most of my hair, but I'm just re-moisturizing the base of that twist. Excuse that sound, it's just the cushion on my stools. And then, like I said, I bring it all the way down, show your end some love. Oh, wait, actually, I'll start at the end, but like I said, they had beeswax on them, so they look pretty moisturized. I'm pretty happy about that. That's my first time using that product, so I think I would keep doing that when it comes to my ends. Because it ended up melting. At first, it was like really whack. I don't want it to be like too thick around my finger. Like I should be able to twist it and then be able to see like what the size would be once it's twisted up. See, that I could deal with. So, okay. Get my gel. Like I said, you got your 3 pieces. I think 3 is a good size, especially for what I have in my head. I just use 3 pieces. And like I said, because it's twisting hair, it's real easy to come apart just like this. So it's perfect. Again, not a big fan of Kekalon hair when it comes to this style. I think it's perfect for braids because it's just a smooth texture. This is all falling into it. So as you can see, my charms, I found some really cute charms, like this one with the little wings and stuff. I be finding like ones that have crowns and all that stuff. But anyway, okay. Ooh. Okay. to get some of this, like relax this. I don't like tension on my edges. No, I don't. Okay, so as you can see, neat, perting. The back, I honestly don't think matter, but the front, try your best, sis. Try your best. Got this. And I'm putting it against the base of what I have roped together with my hair. And then as you can see right here, like I wrapped it around the base. And what I'm gonna do is twist that. So that way I have 3 strands to work with. Like, so this is one side, this is one side. Hold on. Okay, there you go. This is one side. See, when I'm not thinking about it, it's just, I just do it. But, okay, and then what I do is I tighten it. And then I start braiding it down, plaiting first. This is how actually you do twist your hair from the root, but that's a video for another day because honestly I'm gonna have to brush up on those skills. But yeah, so you twist. I do twist outs all the time. So for me, twisting is more comfortable. But yeah, so I'm just literally every single time I'm doing this, wrapping, twist, wrapping, twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap. And next thing you know, you got you a twist, sis. And the fun part about this hairstyle is it's very versatile. I may insert pictures, but honestly, I wear it down. I don't really put, like I said, I don't like putting tension on my hair, which is why I like twists. And the only person I let braid my hair is my girl, Jazz. It's because people just be doing it too tight. And she know how I feel about my edges. She know about the trauma. So she does really well with my hair. Actually, all my family go to her to get their hair braided. So, and then I get like a little bit more gel, just the way it's like smoothing out as I'm like going down the hair, and it conditions it a little bit. So it gives it like a shine. So like when I'm out and about, people are like, oh, your twist looks so like good. Like I said, juicy. It's because I use a little bit of this just to help. And it also helps seal them together for me. Like I said, because they're twists. I mean, it stays. Like, see, like I loosen up and it stays. But y'all, my camera had died. This is just some pictures of me when I had the 1B27. I loved it in this style for the summer. And then this is me going on the trip. Check it out. What's up, you guys? Heading on my birthday trip. My husband got me a gift. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Mwah.